Hi, and welcome to the Pastor Hank Show. This afternoon we are going to be talking about an exciting message. About a month and a half ago we started talking on a series called More to Life. And what it means to have more to life, that's the pursuit of life. We know that more to life begins at the cross, and then it gives us courage, and then it gives us compassion, and it builds connection. And today we're going to be talking about commission. And what does it mean to be commissioned and to have commission? And all of that we're going to discover. But before that, I just want to say that commission is imitating what Christ did and who He was. Because the scripture says that we are to imitate Him as we imitate Paul. And so a part of commissioning is developing the characteristics of Jesus in our lives, and then developing that and seeing that being developed in other people's life. That is the joy of it. And today I have somebody who I've been really investing my life into, and he's here with us in our studio here, live here with me. We have this afternoon Pastor Chance. Chance, thank you so much for being with us this afternoon. Sir, are you delighted to just be with us here this afternoon? Well, thank you for having me this afternoon, and thank you, Pastor Hank, for having me. In Mark 16, Jesus says that signs and wonders will follow those who believe. And I believe that we are commissioned in this time of age to believe in what Jesus is teaching us. That is a powerful message. And Pastor Hank, thank you so much for having me. And as an imitator of Christ and an imitator of a man of God, I want to be just like you. Well, folks, there you have it. That's commission for you today. Pastor Chance, we just want to thank you for being here in the studio with us today. Well, thank you. Yes. Thank you for having me. It's an honor. Okay. All right. Well, God bless you. Let's see ya. Commission, commission, commission now. There's nothing to it if you just know how. So tell your mother and your father and your sister and your brother too. Commission is the thing to do.